Welcome to the next video in the Python Stored Procedures series, Use a Calculation. My name is Angela Harney. I have experience with SQL Server since the first edition. I am SnowPro Core certified and a Snowflake data engineer. I have over 5 years of cloud experience, over 20 years in database programming and data warehouse experience, and over 10 years as a continuing education college instructor. Be sure to watch all 3 videos in this series, write to a table, use the data frame, and use a calculation. We will expand our learnings from the first 2 videos in this series by creating a new sample table to work with. Create a new stored procedure called USP_calculation_procedure with a single string parameter. The stored procedure again imports the Snowpark column function to make referring to columns in a data frame easier. We will establish the source Snowflake table that we want to work with into a data frame using the Snowpark session command to automatically infer the structure of the data frame. We will then create a second instance of the data frame, consisting of just 2 of the columns from the source table. We will use the overwrite mode of the .write.saveas command, which allows us to redefine the data frame if we want to make changes, overwriting any previous instances of the table we write to Snowflake. We will name the new table sample_table_output. Return the string value of success to specify our action is done. You can execute the stored procedure by running the call command to see the newly created table with 2 columns. Now we will modify our stored procedure to add a second method that takes in 2 parameters and performs a simple calculation. Before executing the stored procedure, we will call this method in our data frame and create a new 3rd column that consists of the result of the calculation. To do this, we will add a column between the ID column and the train column that calls the function get_mph and sends in the value of 2 different columns from the row of data. We will give this new column a name using the .alias property. We will name it total_mph. When we execute the stored procedure and select from a table, we will see the new column on each row with the result of the calculation. You can drop a stored procedure by referring to its signature, which is its name and parameter data type. Don't forget to put the full path reference of the database and schema where you created your stored procedure if you are calling this from another schema. Drop any unused tables that you no longer need. Next Python series, Python Worksheets. Search #Snowpark Sundays or #Angela Harney to see other videos.